Rohan and Priya finally had their own home, their first apartment together in Hyderabad, a new beginning full of dreams. Their neighbor mentioned something special, a Sankranti celebration on the rooftop. Excited, they rushed upstairs to see. But what they found broke Priya's heart. Broken furniture, clutter everywhere, a forgotten, unusable space. "Remember when we were kids?" Priya whispered. "Flying kites together. I always dreamed of doing that from our own home." Rohan saw the sadness in her eyes. Sankranti was in 3 days. Most would say impossible, but Rohan refused to let her dream stay broken. That night, he discovered Kalina, custom metal fabrication, delivered in 72 hours. One call, one plan, one chance to make her childhood dream come true. For 3 days, magic happened, measuring, fabricating, cutting, bending, powder coating in vibrant festival colors. And installing. Sankranti morning arrived. She gasped. The broken space transformed, custom kite racks, beautiful seating, organized, colorful, perfect. Tears rolled down her cheeks. They selected their first kite together. As it soared into the sky, Rohan revealed the secret. The furniture was powder coated in the same colors as the kites they flew as children. Kalina didn't just deliver furniture, they built the foundation for a lifetime of memories. Happy Sankranti 2025. May your dreams take flight. Scan the QR code and WhatsApp us.